In our previous video, we started a new topic which was the political development of Zambia. Under this topic, we defined what civic education was, then we moved on to talking about the importance of civic education, and later we started talking about Zambia's path to independence, where we discussed the time when Zambia was a British protectorate to a time where Zambia became an independent state. And we concluded by saying that in the year 1964, Zambia became an independent state with Kenneth Kaunda as its president. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about the symbols of national identity. The symbols of national identity. National symbols are very important as they are easily recognized entities that are used as means to communicate the history and culture of a particular nation. National symbols are easily identified and they are used to direct and organize, record and communicate. Zambia in particular has three main symbols of national identity, and these are the national flag, the coat of arms, and the national anthem. I'm going to talk about these three in details now, starting with the national flag. The flag of Zambia was adopted on 24th October 1964. Its major color is green. It has an orange-colored eagle in flight over a rectangular block of three vertical stripes, which are red, black, and orange in color. The colors used in the flag of Zambia symbolize the following. Green stands for the nation's rich vegetation. Red stands for the blood of those who died during the nation's struggle for freedom. Black stands for the Zambian people. Orange stands for Zambia's mineral wealth. Additionally, the eagle flying above the colored stripes represents the people's ability to rise above the national problems. In other words, it represents the prosperity of Zambia and her people. The coat of arms. The coat of arms was adopted on 24th October 1964 when Zambia gained its independence. The coat of arms has the following symbols. 1. The African fish eagle, which represents the conquest of freedom and the nation's hope for the future. 2. The pig and hoe, which represents the country's economic backbone, agriculture and mining. 3. The shield is a representation of the Victoria Falls with white water falling over black rocks. 5. The Victoria Falls represents the Zambezi River from which Zambia takes its name. 5. The coat of arms also has emblems of Zambia's natural resources, minerals and mining, agriculture and wildlife. 6. The shield is supported by two figures which represents the common man and woman of the nation. The country's motto is One Zambia, One Nation, which emphasizes on the need for unity in a country of 72 ethnic groups. The third and final symbol of national identity that we are going to be talking about is the national anthem. It was adopted in 1964. The tune is taken from the hymn Nkosi Sikeleli Africa, which means God bless Africa. It was composed by a South African, Enoch Sontonga, in the year 1897. So these are the three symbols of national identity that Zambia has. I encourage you to know them, master those. I'm going to conclude this topic by talking about the value of national symbols. National symbols are very important, like we mentioned. So the above 3 discussed national symbols are very important. Below are some of their values. Number 1, national symbols give citizens a sense of pride and patriotism. Number 2, they help inculcate the values and ideologies of a country into its citizens. Number 3, they give people something to identify themselves with. Number 4, national symbols such as the eagle and orange color show the high value we place on certain things. Lastly, number 5, certain national symbols give a nation a link to its past. A good example of this is the red color on the flag, which reminds us of the people who shed blood during the struggle for independence.